Hello guys over there. I am by the name Richard Okidi. Back here I am here to teach you on how to use a Microsoft Excel to make a report card. Assuming you are a class teacher, let's say for example a class teacher for P4. So on my Excel sheet here, I have actually the marks. I have already arranged them. So let me go and actually teach you on how to get the total using the formula on the computer. So you start by pressing equals to, uh, you go to cell where the mark is, then plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. Then from here, you actually press. From here, you actually, oh, sorry, E2. Let's press plus E2. Yeah. So you press enter. You get the total. You come and put the cursor at the corner. You hold and you drag it down. You get the total of everything. Then also we can go and get the total using the function on the computer. So this one you come and press equals to sum. You use the sum. Then sum we say from B2 then up to E2, then you end close. Yeah, there you get your sum. You come and actually drag the cursor down and you get the total for everything. That is it. Yeah, you can also go and get the average using the formula on the computer. You can actually press equals, then you actually press your bracket. You use actually the board mass. Make use of board mass. You press, you open, then you go to the cell you want to actually get the average for. Then you add C2, you add D2, you add, then E2, and you end close the bracket. Then you divide all of them by the number of subjects, which is 4. Yeah, here you get your average. Then you come and put the cursor in the corner. Then you drag it down. You get the average of everything using the formula. That is it. Then finally, you can also go and get, actually not finally, you can also go and get the average using the computer, actually the functions on the computer, like this one here. I am going for equals to, then average. You press average on the computer, then you say from cell B2 up to cell E2, and you actually close the bracket. Yeah, here you get your average, then you pull the cursor down and everything is actually calculated. And if you can compare the average using formula, they are still the same with the average using actually the function. Then let's go to comments. Let's look at how we can also comment on our results. With the comments, you are going to use actually the if function on the computer. To press equals, if equals to if, you set the condition. Like for example, if you set the condition like if B2 or like when you are commenting, you pick actually any subject, or you can use actually the average for commenting. Like let me use my average here right near me. If actually let me see, if I2 is maybe, let me say, less than, if I2 is maybe less than 60, then I give as well the condition like maybe, um, let me say, repeat. So that is the first condition. And then the second set of condition is actually the control condition. Uh, in case it's actually above 60, what will happen? So that is now the second test. So in case it's actually more than 60, let me actually also give the condition, let me say, promoted. Promoted. That is actually, you first put it in actually the quote, then you write promoted. Promoted. So that is it. You put it in the quote and you close the bracket and you press it, it will come. And now you actually put the cursor at the corner and you drag it down after here. So here you can see at least they have now commented, repeat, promoted, and so on. Now I am going to position. When you are calculating or when you are actually allocating position on the computer, actually you use the function called rank. So you go and rank like equals to rank, um, rank. I'm going to rank the average. Rank the average. If what? Let me see. Let me say the condition from the average I2. You put the comma, then you use the dollar sign actually to break. Let me say I2. You are going to rank from I2 up to, you will start ranking right from I2, then you rank it up to the last, like this, like up to I8. Then what you will do, you will also break. You will also actually, you break the rank such that you, what you have done in actually this cell should not repeat itself in another rank by putting the dollar sign. So the dollar sign, you come and press shift function, then 4, and you break everything. So let me go and press, breaking the rank. You come also to 8 and you break. Yeah, so here you have already broken the rank, and now that can bring for you the position as you can see. So you now use this one, you drag it down and you get the position of everybody. As you can see, it's now arranged from position 1 up to position 7 according to the number of the learners. Dear listeners, don't actually forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon with another computer technology. Be up to date with me. I still remain Roshai Okidi. Thank you.